Obaseki meets Edo youths, say na better institutions Naim Naija need, no be strong men. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don identify weak institutions as wetin dey cause underdevelopment for Naija. E tok on the need for leaders across the country to build strong institutions to achieve sustainable development. Obaseki tok dis one wen e dey address youth for the state during stakeholders engagement of Edo State Transition Committee with youths and student group for the new festival hall for Benin City. E say make dem hold our political leaders to build strong institutions as e be say pipo go always come and go but na di institutions na im go remain. Say we need to change our mentality of depending on federal allocation as we need to come together to create the things wey we need.
First is to hold the people you elect to account. And you're already doing that. Hold them to account. Let us build institutions, not individuals. Because people will come and go, but institutions will remain.
Oga Governor say dem need to change the structure of government wey dem dey run. E say we must all participate and speak up for our communities, no be only for social media. Im come still tok say administration dey committed to create business-friendly environment and to make Edo great again.
So, the structure of the government we run needs to change. It has to be more localized. It has to be more inclusive. You must participate, not just sitting down and commenting on social media. No, in your small community, speak up, let your voice be heard. Come out, do something, be involved. Don't leave the problem of your society to other people. It's like a family. You can't say, oh, my senior brother or my junior brother will take care of it. You must play your own role.
Edo State Head of Service Anthony Okungbowa for his opening remarks come say state civil and public service na im be the main thing wey government dey focus on.
Okay, now it's important you know this. At this minute, we'll have only 4 first-class graduates in the whole of the civil service. 4 of them. Their names are mentioned there. Now, at the moment, the private sector takes the best. You know, first class, second class upper, second class lower, the private sector takes it. But Mr. Governor has decided that that will not happen anymore. The civil service, the public service is being positioned to attract even the best talent that are available in this country. So we report.
Alhaji Ahmed Ivarike, wey be one of the participants, come urge Governor Godwin Obaseki to ensure say dem complete the Benin River port, say e go help create job opportunities for youths.
And one of the best way we can improve is for us to improve the commerce of the state. I believe I will beg the governor that the Gelegele Seaport project you started, that you should please to complete the Gelegele Seaport. Once you do that, sir, Edo State will not just only be the economic hub of South-South, it will also be feeding the nation in general.
The Ogbonge people were present for the meeting na Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, a Deputy Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Secretary to State Government Osarodion Oge Esquire, State Head of Service Anthony Okungbowa, Chieftaincy of the People's Democratic Party PDP Honorable Pascal Ogbome, among others. This one na the Ogbonge informates wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the cocoa for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.